Hey there, this is the platform of Bitnom. Bitnom, the world's first, most comprehensive software suite to help traders and investors navigate the real-time data of the cryptocurrency space. This is very important for an investors to locate the data of recent or their invested cryptocurrency, because this is a very volatile market. Before they invest so much money over cryptocurrencies, they need to know where they are investing and is it worth it or not. That work has been done by Bitnom. So Bitnom real-time analytics allows you to get a full overview of the current social, technical, and trading signal across the decentralized web, combined with our intelligent AI engine that enables you to maximize return on investment. Bitnom has found out some very distracting problems into this crypto world. Let's know about it. Crypto investors or traders have to maintain multiple accounts on multiple platforms to have an overview on their trading signals, the latest crypto news, blogs, forums to make informed decisions. There is no integrated environment that allows this. So, you know that if you are an investor and you invest over Bitcoin or Pi token or Terra Credit, any platform you want, but you have to create multiple accounts to have a good look over them. But in Bitnom, you can find every necessary information in one shade. But that's the problem of recent time. But the solution has come by Bitnom. Bitnom solves the problem by combining all of the much-needed functionality and data into one simple to use ecosystem platform. To make it even better, Bitnom gives real-time data and social collaboration platform so that our users are always first to get best trading investment deals. And what technology does Bitnom use? Our crypto intelligence ecosystem connects the dot across validated data, set up blockchain built on highly secure and performance service. We aim to connect as close to the exchange as possible to make our AI product with available partner and customer as DAS. The managing team are here: Alex van der Drift, Chief Executive Officer, and Kevin Groovers, Chief Technology Officer. Investor Health Check. What problem are you solving? In a space where information is radically fragmented, Bitnom provides unified, real-time insight across every crypto project's full range of activities on every blockchain platform, all in one place. Do you have any prototype? If you have that kind of question, you can get your answer from here. Yes, we have a private preview over beta available upon request. For the cost forecast, these costs are outfitted in the financial summaries. So we are working on the low latency cloud native implementation. So what are the features? What are the core features of Bitnom? What are the offering? Data engine. Bitnom provides an extensive interface allowing access to the best trading analytics indicators and the community analysis of newly listed coins. Therefore, Bitnom will help you trade much better than you would never before. Okay, here are some other features that are used by Bitnom. But why use Bitnom? Cryptocurrency investors, traders have to maintain multiple accounts on multiple platforms to have an overview of the trading signal, latest cryptocurrency news and blogs. But let's know about their feature first. Here, source code analysis engine. It provides a wealth of information to notice Bitnom users from which they can have a better understanding of the cryptocurrency they choose to purchase, of the technologies they choose to utilize. It utilizes the GitHub API to browse cryptocurrencies or technologies repository. It allows Bitnom users to quickly select a piece of code and create a new trade detailing with what a particular piece of code does. Market data engine harnesses the power of Bitnom's price data analytics algorithm, which allow early detection of emerging cryptocurrency transactions, giving you the opportunity to cash it on favorable market movements. Bitnom will propagates a fundamental analytics of the cryptocurrency market data and renders tracking price, volume, the market cap of the virtual coins. So you could be benefited from every side you could possibly take from Bitnorm. And Bitnorm is the ultimate crypto intelligence suite for yourself. Thank you very much.